Hello guys, my name is Rosen Yukov and you're in my channel PS How. So today I'm going to make one experiment and see how the new Photoshop Neuro filters work. Actually I want to make a comparison between this option and a couple more which exist on the internet as filters or as applications for smartphone, but let's first start with this one. As you can see, we are already in Photoshop, and this is one family photo of mine, one of my birthdays, and now I'm going to try to colorize this photo, which is maybe from 30-35 years ago. So we go to the menu filter and choose Neuro filters. On the right you're going to see the palette with different filters. Actually at this moment we need the colorize filter, which is not downloaded yet. Maybe there was some update, so we are downloading it now. And you can see meanwhile all the other Neuro filters with the latest version of Photoshop. You can see skin smoothing, super zoom, JPEG artificial removal, style transfer. This is something interesting. You can put a different style, like from a famous painter like Van Gogh or Degas, to your photos. You can also choose a smart portrait, harmonization, landscape mixer, depth blur. This is something very interesting which I'm going to cover in some of the next tutorials I'm planning to do. Color transfer or makeup transfer. At the moment, let's see what the colorize filter can do with my photo. It's almost ready. Okay, so the filter was downloaded and now I'm going to turn it on from this switch. And you can see immediately, almost immediately, it colorizes your old photo, black and white photo, and actually the result looks freaking amazing. Really can't believe how good the algorithm works. So let's take a look what's happening on the right. You can see you can manipulate the saturation or different color values from here. You can clear color artifacts if there are, or you can apply noise reduction. Also you can choose to output the result as a new color layer. You have some previously done adjustments from which you can choose, like retro high contrast, retro blue brown, light yellow, purple yellow, retro bright. I'm just going to take a brief look at some of them. Let's say retro bright, which makes the colors much more brighter and saturated, vibrant. Maybe this depends on the photo that you want to colorize. So I'm going to take a look at randomly at another one. Yeah, the difference is not so big, but depending on the subject of your photo, maybe some of them will give you better results and some not. So let's say I want to use the first one. No, actually I don't want to use the filter. I just want to put a little saturation. And you can see the photo becomes live. So I'm going to click OK. And now you can see the before after. This is the before, the black and white photo, and this is the after. As far as I can remember, the wallpapers and the interior, in this case, it reminds me pretty much of my childhood, so I can say good job. So let's go to the next one. I'm going to do the same with a landscape. This is a photo I did many years ago in one beautiful Bulgarian village called Melnik. If I zoom here, you can see there are some artifacts And now we're going to test the option of removing these artifacts. So I'm going to choose again filter, neural filters, and here we go with the colorize option. Just take a look how quick this works. It's amazing. Yeah, actually pretty good job, I would say. Here I can try something with more contrast maybe. Yes, it's much better. You can manipulate the profile strength as well here. Something like opacity of the filter. Let's try retro purple yellow. Yeah, also works. So here I'm going to try how the color artifact reduction works. I'm going to turn this switch on with some value. And if I zoom here, I still can see the hair on the film. If I blast it to the max, you can switch between the original and the result from here. Actually, I don't see much difference. Maybe it's just about color artifacts reduction. I'm not sure. Let's put it back. I want to see what the noise reduction will do here. Actually, it removes the grain from the film and probably some value like this would be better. I can see the original, so I don't lose much from the texture of the paper. Yeah, actually it's pretty good result. I'm impressed. I'm going to save these two files and we'll compare them with the other filters and plugins I'm going to test. Not all of them are based on Photoshop, some are separate applications, but let's see what each one of them can do.